Alright guys, welcome back with me Sneak Compare, and today I have another comparison video for you guys between two pairs of Nike Jamoran 1 Day 1 colorway. So let's find out where is the difference. As you can see here on the first marking area, you can see the stitching here on the fake one is a lot more narrow than on the authentic. The authentic is a little bit wider than the fake. Another sample again, there are two stitches on the authentic or on the fake one, but look at on the fake one, the stitching, the straight stitching here is right on top of the V stitching, whereas on the authentic the straight stitching here is right below the V stitching. And another sample, as you can see here on the fake one, there is only one stitching, only V stitching. There is no straight stitching here. There is no vertical stitching on the fake one. Then compared to the authentic one, there are two stitches here, as you can see, and also the color of the outsole is totally different. And as you can see on the marking area here, the layer here is a little bit higher. The layer here on the fake one is higher than on the authentic one. Another sample again, as you can see here, the color of the 12 AM on the authentic one is a lot more stand out a lot more than on the fake one. Also this one, the layer is a little bit higher than on the authentic. Moving to the inside part of the shoes, as you can see here, there are many holes here. On the authentic is pretty clear. You can see the big holes here is forming like a one number, like a number 1 and 2. It's like a Jamoran number 12. However, on the fake one, you can see it reversed. It should be like the authentic here, 1 2. This one is 2 reverse and 1 reverse, so it's pretty easy to spot. And another sample, you can see this one is pretty clear, it's reversed than on the authentic here. Another sample, still same, this one is 1 number, and then this one is 2, number 2, and this one is number 2. It's reversed, should be not like this. And this one again, you can see on the authentic one, it's the dots is forming like a letter J and A, ja, whereas on the fake one you can see a lot of, and on the fake one there are many dots here. It's completely wrong. And what I've noticed from looking above here is the insole direction. As you can see on the authentic one, the insole is vertical, whereas on the fake one is a little bit slanted, a little bit sloopy. You can see here the insole, the Ja logo. And this one also, this one is a little bit smaller than the authentic one. The gap between the Ja logo here is a little bit narrow and a little bit smaller. And moving to the back of the shoes, as you can see here, the 12 number on the authentic is clearly visible, whereas on the fake one you cannot see clearly because it's slightly go down because the Nike swoosh here, is a little bit slightly come up. And also this one is not centered. The line here and the outsole isn't centered, slightly to the right. Another sample, as you can see, we cannot see the number 12 right here. It's pretty easy to spot. And this one also, the line is slightly to the right, isn't centered. And take a closer look, as you can see, it's still same. We cannot see number 12, and the red color is a lot more stand out on the authentic than on the fake one. And this one we can see the number 12 clearly, but here isn't centered. The line isn't centered. This one is slightly to the right. Another sample again, you can see the color is totally wrong. Alright guys, that's my explanation. I hope you get it, and if you have any question, just write down in the comment section below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video.